Dear students, today we shall discuss about the 8th standard chapter on exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. So, students, you know that the mass of the earth, so the mass of the earth is 5.97. Mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. 10 to the power of 24 kg. So this is the mass of the earth. So if you observe here, the mass of the earth is very huge, very large. So it is unable to weigh or measure. So in the our surrounding physical quantities, So this can be read as 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24. 10 to the power of 24. So observe here. So this is 10 to the power of 24. We can read this. So that means uh, 1 is followed by 24 zeros. 1 is followed by 24 zeros. So that is a huge, large number. So which is difficult to write. So similarly, we can, if you observe the mass of the sun and the distance between the earth and the moon, so distance between the earth and the sun, and the distance between the other planets from earth, so to sun, so they are all very huge, they are in large quantity. So to write that, so it is impossible to write it in the numerical places. So therefore we are going to use the mathematics branch of mathematics, exponents and powers. So here take for example this the mass of the earth 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24. So in here the 10 to the power of 4. So this can be read as 10 to the power of 24. 10 to the power of 24. Or you can read this as 10 raised to 24. And read it as 10 raised to 24. So here, if you observe, consider this 10 to the power of 24. So this 10, it is called as base. And 24 is exponent. So 10 is called as base and 24 is called as exponent. So it can be written as 10 to the power of 24 or 10 raised to 24. So in this way we are going to express the large numbers in mathematics by using the exponents and the powers. So in generally we can write base as A and power as M. So call this as this is base and m is called as exponent. So this can be read as a to the power of m or a raised to m. A raised to m. So now students, we will see some of the powers with negative exponent. So powers with negative exponent. Powers with negative exponent. So in that we will see first one. Powers with the negative exponent, we will see the first one. So consider a raised to minus m. A raised to minus m. So this can be written in the positive form. This can be written as 1 by a to the power of m. 1 by a to the power of m. So this negative power is converted to the positive power. A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Similarly, another one is, second one is 1 by a to the power of minus m. So if this is a negative exponent, so it is a exponent with the negative power. Negative power. Sorry. So it is a powers with negative exponents. So this can be written as a to the power of m. So here this negative exponent is converted to positive exponent. So if it is in the form of a to the power of minus m, so it can be written by using 1 by a to the power of m get converted to the positive. Similarly, 1 by a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So we will see how we can simplify some of the problems on these two negative exponents. Now students, let us observe the some problems. So here find the values of, first one is 2 to the power of minus 3 or 2 raised to minus 3. Second one is 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2. So and the second one is evaluate. So first one is 3 to the power of minus 2. Second one minus 4 to the power of minus 2. And third one is 1 by 2 to the power of minus 5. So let us simplify by applying these two properties. So I will take up this part. You have to simplify the first main. You have to simplify the first main. I will show you the second main. So in this second main, first problem is 3 to the power of minus 2. It is 3 to the power of minus 2. Now students, so this can be written as, this can be written as 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square. So now, so if you simplify, write the numerator as it is. So 3 square. So 3 square means 3 should be multiplied twice. So that means 3 into 3. So 3 into 3. So 3 3s are, it is 9. So the value of 3 to the power of minus 2 is 1 by 9. Similarly, students, the second problem is minus 4 to the power of minus 2. Or it can be written as minus 4 raised to minus 2. So therefore, this can be written as, observe here, both the base and the power, that means the exponent, both are in the negative form. So we know that, so we can only convert this power with the negative exponents to the positive. So by using this law, so that property, so this can be written as 1 by minus 4 square. 1 by minus 4 square. So this can be written as, now 1 by, so minus 4 square means minus 4 should be multiplied 2 times. Minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus it is plus. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So therefore this will become 1 by 16. Therefore value of minus 4 raised to minus 2 is 1 by 16. Now we will take up the third problem. Third problem is 1 by 2 raised to minus 5. So this can be written as, apply this exponent to both the numerator and the denominator, it will become 1 to the power of minus 5 by 2 to the power of minus 5. So this exponent should be taken to the numerator and the denominator. It will become 1 to the power of minus 5 and 2 to the power of minus 5. So now to convert this to positive, we are going to use both these laws. Both these laws are properties. So take this numerator to the denominator and denominator exponent to numerator, we will get, so this if it is taken to numerator, it will be get converted as a positive. So by using this property, so if this is returned to the denominator, it will be get converted to the positive by using this property. So therefore it will be 2 to the power of 5 by 1 to the power of 5. So it means 2 raised to 5 means 2 should be multiplied 5 times. 2 should be multiplied 5 times. So what will be the product? Yes. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are, so it is 32. So therefore, this is the value of 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So then, if you multiply 1 5 times, 5 times, so it will become 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So that means if 1 is multiplied so many times or n times or 10 times, so the value does not change us. The value does not change us. Therefore, it will become 32 by 1. So it will become, the value is 32. Therefore, the value of 1 by 2 raised to minus 5 is 32. Okay students, I think you have understand how to convert the given powers with negative exponents to positive and simplify the problems. So observe that. So we will see the next laws of exponents. Okay. Now students, we will see the laws of exponents. So for any non-negative integers, so here we consider for any non-negative integers AB, where m and n are integers, where m and n are integers, then so we can write the laws. So first law is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is the first law of exponents. So if the base is same, then we are going to add the powers or the exponents. Second law is a to the power of m by a to the power of n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. We write this as a to the power of m minus n. Second law is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So and the third law is a to the power of m to the power of n. So this should be multiplied a to the power of mn. Third law is a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to, if we multiply these two, we will get a to the power of mn. So and the fourth law is a to the power of m by b to the power of n. So if you observe here, in this fourth case, the bases are different, but the powers are same. So then we can write this as a by b to the power of m. A by b to the power of m. And lastly, last law is fifth law is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So students, you have to remember that these are the 5 laws regarding the exponents. So first one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. And second one is a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals a to the power of m minus n. Third one is a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. And the fourth one is a to the power of m by a to the power of m is then written as a by b to the power of m. And last one is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So this is a special case, students. You have to remember. So if the power is 0 and the base is any number, its value will be equal to 1. Now students, we will simplify the problems by using these laws. We will simplify the problems by using these laws. Okay. Now students, we will take up the exercise 2.1. So in that we have taken I have taken simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So in this, so we have to simplify this and express that result in power notation. Observe here with positive exponent. With positive exponent. The first problem is minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. So, for simplification, we are going to use all these laws which are holds good for the given problem. So now, this can be written as So as usual, this can be written as minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. Now, if you observe this, so which law here we are going to use? So observe here by using the second law. So that means a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So equals a to the power of m minus n. So this can be written as minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. So equals minus 4 to the power of, so the value of 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So this will become minus 4 to the power of minus 3. So this is the answer, but we have to convert this to the positive exponent as it is indicated in the problem. So therefore this can be written by using the property. So this can be written as 1 by minus 4 cube or 1 by minus 4 to the power of 3. So this is the positive exponent form of the given problem. Okay students, now we will see the next problem. The next problem is 1 by 2 cube whole to the power of 2. So now if you observe here, observe the problem and the loss. So which law here we are going to use? So here we are going to, if you observe this, the numerator is one number and the denominator is another number. So therefore we can use the fourth law. We can use the fourth law. Fourth law, it is of the right side. Right side format. We are going to convert it to the side. So this can be written as, so 2 is multiplied to the power numerator 1 square by, so this can be written as 1 square divided by 2 cube square. So therefore 1 square is 1 and this can be written as, by using this law, a to the power of m to the power of n equals a to the power of mn. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 3 2s are 6. So this is the positive form of the given problem, 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Now students, we will simplify the third problem. So the third problem is, so here write this as minus 3 to the power of 4, write it as it is and apply 5 lots of indices to the 5 by 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 4. So this can be written as 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. So that can be written as, or it can be expressed as, so this can be expressed as, so here, so here, now students, so if you observe this, so we can write this, the powers are same. So by using this law, we can write this can be written as minus 3 into 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. Minus 3 into 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. So therefore here we have multiplied minus 3 into 5, minus 3 to 5, so it will become minus 15 by 3. So here also the power is same, so here also the power is same. So this can be written as minus 15 by 3. So now divide 3 ones are 3 5s are. So it is minus 5 to the power of 4. Students, observe by the heading of the problem, we have to write this in the positive exponent. Therefore, this can be written as. Therefore, this can be written as minus 1 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. It can be written as minus 5 to the power of 4 can be written as minus 1 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. So, observe here, if you multiply minus 1 4 times, it will be get converted to the plus 1, because minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, you will get minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So we have plus 1 only. So therefore this can be written as 1 into 5 to the power of 4. So this will become 5 to the power of 4. So students, so this is the positive form of a given problem. Okay students, I think you have understand how to simplify the given problems by using the laws of exponents. Okay. Now students, we will see another problem which includes all, we are going to use all the laws. If you observe this problem, so evaluate 8 to the power of minus 1 into 5 cube by 2 to the power of minus 4. So if you observe these two, 5 cube and 2 to the power of minus 4 are in the form of exponential form. So whereas we have to convert the 8 to the exponential form. 8 to the exponential form. So we will write the factors of 8. The factors of 8 are 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 twos are. So 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are, that is 4. So therefore 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, or so this can be expressed as 2 cube or 2 raised to 3. So now we will write 8 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 2 cube to the power of minus 1. So here just I have converted 8 to the exponential form into 5 cube by 2 to the power of minus 4, right, as it is. Now multiply this, it will become 2 to the power of minus 3 into 5 cube or 5 to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of minus 4. So observe here students, so these two are in the negative exponential form. Therefore, for the conversion, so just to write this to the numerator and this 2 to the power of minus 3 to the denominator. So it will become positive. So it will become 2 to the power of 4 into 5 cube by 2 cube. So the next step is, so 2 to the power of 4 is, it is 16. 16, right? So or you can 125. 16 into 125 by 2 cube is 2 is, if 2 is multiplied 3 times, so it will become 8. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So now 8 ones are 8 twos are. So it will become 2 into 125. So 125 twos are, it is 250. So this is the value of the given problem. Students, similarly, you have to simplify the problems in the same exercise 2.1. So that is fourth main, fifth main, and the third mains are there. So if you got any doubts, you can clarify with us. Okay, students, we will see in the next class.